What else are the kind of main things that you recommend people to do, especially on LinkedIn, to get in front of those buyers and to get in front of people? What are some other tricks?
So look at your LinkedIn profile and make sure it's set up correctly. Make sure that it's a profile that is credible and professional, gives insights into what you do, your expertise. When you're using your LinkedIn profile to market your company, your profile is basically you representing your company. So we don't care that you worked at McDonald's when you were at secondary school. We only care about what your company is offering. So you want to turn your profile into basically a sales page for your company. When you reach out to someone on LinkedIn or when they come across you, they will often look at your profile first. That's the first thing they'll do. So it's really important that your profile set up correctly. Make sure you've got, sounds simple, but make sure you've got your profile picture is a good professional picture. Make sure that your background picture is a reasonable picture. I think using LinkedIn to listen. So if you are reaching out to people on LinkedIn, it is a fantastic platform to kind of hone your offering. So if you are going to sit down and send out 20 connect requests a day, ping those people a message after you've connected with them, and you will start getting feedback on your product and your offering. So another thing people can do to try and use the platform as a kind of learning platform as well as a sales platform.
LinkedIn's only got professionals on there. There's only people who basically they want to do business, which means usually they want to sell to you, but also they want to buy from you. How do you determine who to listen to, and when you are getting that feedback, how do you do that?
So if you're doing so just using something like our lead generation plan or trying to do that yourself manually, which is basically reaching out to a lot of people through connecting, messaging, and building up your profile that way, you would only be targeting your audience. So if you are targeting CEOs of tech companies with under 10 employees based in London, they're the only people that you should be reaching out to. So when you get feedback, you know it's feedback that's coming from someone who is a potential customer. If you were doing less specific targeting, then obviously it'll be harder to know what feedback was really relevant for your audience or not.
Yeah, cool. So make sure that when you actually start targeting, know who you want to target.